How to fix Facebook Messenger login problem? How you can fix the Facebook Messenger login problem? Firstly, you have to install the Messenger app from your Play Store in your Android. If that app is being installed in your Android and now you have a problem in login, then you have to reinstall or update the version from your Play Store. Now I can see here Play Store. Now I will click on the Play Store and I will write here Messenger. You can see that Messenger is, it means open, it means your Messenger is updated. You are unable to, you have no need to update your Messenger. And if you are facing problem, then you have to check your internet connection, that your device is connected properly with internet or not. If still you have a problem, then you have to uninstall the Messenger app and reinstall it from your Android. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.